Hello friends, hope you are fine. Before beginning our today's important topic, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Today's topic is You Are Brilliant from the book Life Changers, Dreamers, Doers. Let's start. The head of a well-known company decided to test the creativity of average people. So he selected 10 men from one of his factories. They were non-educated people at the bottom of the corporate ladder. The president led them into the executive headquarters and told them to sit in the big leather chairs around the huge board table. After they all sat down, he stood before them and explained why they had been chosen. I have observed you people for some time now, and it has come to my attention that you all have remarkable gifts of creativity. This is why I have called you together today. Our company is facing a problem, and I believe that you 10 men can come up with a solution. He explained all of the details and then left the room for a few hours. A little cynical of the whole idea, when he returned, he discovered they had found a solution. It was in that meeting that a great breakthrough was made. They had found an answer to the problem that his top corporate research and development had overlooked. The average bottom of the ladder person is potentially as creatively brilliant as the top executive who is sitting in the big office. The only drawback is the person on the bottom doesn't realize he's brilliant and he doesn't believe in his own ideas. The executive appealed to the employees' pride. He appealed to their self-worth. This is how he explains it. Every person is creative. They only have to believe it. When I told the men they were smart, they believed it. They came up with a solution because they were not informed enough to know that the suggestion they made couldn't be done. So they came up with an idea that the rest of us never seriously considered because in our minds it was technologically impossible. And when they came up with the idea, we established it as a goal and solved the problem. Every human being has virtually equal creative possibilities. But why isn't the average person more creative? One simple reason. They don't think they are creative. Nobody's ever told them they are creative, so they have never tried to be. There are incredible ideas that come to their minds once in a while, but they don't do anything about them. And then, years later, they read that somebody else did something with the idea, and they say to themselves, I thought about that, why didn't I do something about it? I don't suppose there is one fact that I can try to communicate to you that is more important than this next sentence. All of you are brilliant. That's a fact. All of us have incredibly creative potential because all creative ideas come from God. So friends, do you like the story? So press the like button. See you soon. Thank you.